Hello my friends, my name is Kulen Thapa and today again, well not today again, we are playing it for the first time. This is my first time playing, you can say, Team Fortress because Valorant was not running quite, you can say, well as it used to run previously. So let's do training, basic training, offline training. So I will do basic training. Let us play. So just let us start training. Let's see what this game is about because I have listened, you can say, watched many YouTube videos and I have, you can say, seen, you can say, players telling me that players and YouTubers, and usually you can say some of my fellow mates also told me that this will run, you can say, quite smoothly on my laptop. So I'm playing this and we'll see what we can do here. I have not been uploading, you can say, my spoilers over videos for quite a while now because all my, you can say, videos in which I talk, I usually mute my voice because I'm at my home and I cannot talk as openly as I could. So let's see how it goes and I hope that you can just listen to my voice and I hope that no other background voice is coming. The only background voice coming should be of the or the fan that is running. So let us see. So actually this feature is not recommended for older machines and can be toggled on the other hand.
Charge!
Weapon selection and target practice. Oh, weapons practice. Welcome soldier to the weapon course. What do I even have to do? F2 to use. What is F2? Okay, okay. Well, where is my F2? Let me press F2 then. Oh, it is my. I need to increase the brightness. Where is my F2? This is F1, this is F2. What do we have to do here? What do we have to do here? How do I even say? What do I have to do here? Let me see. Ah, contract and press F. Can I jump from here? Look around the environment and move around. I am already looking around. This gun is nice. Space bar to continue. W to move forward. S to move backward. Space bar. Space bar to continue. Move here. Yep. Oh, but I need, you can say, more sensitivity in here. Let me, you can say, add a little bit more sensitivity because it should be high, man. It should be more higher. Make it as high as you can do. Yep. Mouse acceleration. What do you mean by mouse acceleration? Apply. Let us now. Now it's good now. Control to crouch. Spacebar to jump. Hold. Oh, cycle weapons using mouse wheel bar button or confirm. Select using mouse one. Choose a different weapon to continue. Oh, oh, I got it. We have to do this, shotgun. Taking too long to switch weapon, use Q to swap to a previous weapon. Oh, this is nice. Space bar to continue. Use the weapons. Hold out for each target and destroy them at various distances. Okay, okay. Shovel. Where is my shovel? This game is nice, man. Use R between the targets. Meanwhile, reload using R between the targets. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. Splash damage to damage multiple targets. Okay, I got it. I got it. Nice. This game is nice, man. This game is nice. The shotgun feels nice, man. I will tell you that. Oh, I cannot hit them with this. Try out weapons on a few moving targets. Opponents will move around as on the target range. You know what to do. I got it. Why isn't he dead? Okay, I got it. Where is the next person? Where is the next one? Switch to shotgun to injure enemies at close. Some enemies have more health than others. You will need to use more enemy to take them down. Okay, I got it. Aim at the head, aim at the head. Got it. The music is too loud. The music is too loud. Great job. You have completed training and unlocked basic training. Return to the main menu and press done and select the basic training and explore around of. Okay, I got it. I don't want to read anything. Please don't do this. Go to items. Go to here. Taunt layouts. Taunt one. There is nothing here. What do I do? Let's find the game. If we are done with the tutorial, why not try some offline practice? Let's try it because why not? Start practice. First, let us take it on easy mode. Then I will be. You can say I will try to grind some rank. You can say rank matches in this game, and let's see how it goes, and let's see how the community. Because in Valorant the community was not so great. I hope that in here the community would be great because I feel like this game is, you can say, quite smooth running, so nobody must have any problem running this game. So nobody would be as toxic as they are in Valorant, because in Valorant sometimes they do sometimes the player cannot, you can say, do give their best, because the PC holds them back or the laptop holds them back, the graphics hold them back. So there is that. Let's see. Want coaching? Would you like assistance? Just from practice. Any available? Man has asked you to join your game. Okay. Oh.
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
So I can choose any class.
Calling here. I've got work.
Oh, this is great, man. This is great. Let's go. Oh, damn! This is good. Damn! This is good. I will play with shotgun, man. This is great. What are you doing?
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Why is my health lowering? Why is my health getting lower now? Hit 130. Oh, it's again.
Alright, I feel good.
Let's go. We don't have time. Why isn't it breaking? Why isn't it opening?
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Oh, it's not, you can say, already here.
5, 4.
I feel like it's just like any other, you can say, multiplayer games. Let's go. Oh, too many enemies. Medic. Oh, this is too chaotic. Damn. Too chaotic, man. This is too chaotic. Respawning in 3 seconds. Let's see.
Hey, Scout is calling. Got a contract for you.
Where are the enemies? Ooh. Oh, what is this, man? They are just, you can say, reeling me down. This is not, you can say, good for me. F to inspect your weapon. Oh, I got it, I got it. I just need to get up here and got him. Why is he dead? Why is he not dead? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I can't see. Help, 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 help me, help me. Help me a little bit. Just die
Mission
already.
begins in
Oh,
60 seconds.
I don't know how I did it, but
Get him! Thanks, Doc.
let's go.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Oh, we have 125 health. I get it now. We are a shotgun user. I suppose I did well for my first time. My aim was good. I don't know what these things are. Oh, I
Mission
thought that
begins in
everybody was
10
a.
seconds.
How is he emoting? How is he emoting?
5,
Why do I call for medic every
3,
time?
2, 1.
Let's go. Oh, they are here. Oh, no shots are hitting now. Just wait it out, wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! What was that? Get me up quickly, get me up quickly. What is this? What is this thing? Tell you what is this thing? How do I use this? I don't know. Oh, we can go from here too. How am I dead again and again? This is not more than aimbot. What do you mean by aimbot? Oh, what is this thing? Where do I have to go? Oh, he is around there. How did he kill me, brother? I don't get it. How does he have so much health? How do I even change my class? I also didn't get it. Let's go.
Get on the freaking Doc.
Let's go. Me and you, bro. Why is he not dead? Why is he not dead? I don't get it. Why is he not dead? I just damaged him so much, but he's not dead.
Scout,
Let's
falling here.
go. We don't have time for this. Let me go. I'm rolling. Falling. Is it an enemy?
Victor.
Where are the enemies? Where are the enemies?
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
This is good, man. This is good. I just need to understand what we are doing. Then we are good. Also, this game is quite fast paced. I'm not gonna lie. This is quite fast paced. Can I change my? You can say class. How do I change my class? It said that we have to click on something that is this, I guess. How do I change class? And what is F2?
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
I don't get it. Mission begins. 36. I'm good with pistol, man. I will play with pistol. I will do headshot.
Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4.
I need an assault rifle.
Three,
Assault rifle would be, you can say, much more better here.
one.
I feel like that, but I don't really know. Let us wait here and see if somebody comes from here. Oh, these are my own teammates. Oh! We can't do this. I tried. Get me up, get me up. Oh no, no place to go from here. No place to go from here. Just can go from. Oh, what is this, man? What is this? There is a turret up there. How can I, you can say, cross this place? Most of our players are dead. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. Oh, he's here. I don't get it. What is it? I can't do anything there. How do I change my, you can say, class? How do I change my class?
Doc, come on, man.
Oh, what is this?
All right.
Nice. Oh, what was that? First we need to kill the dude that is, you can say, up there. Kill this dude up there. He is, you can say, killing us again and again. Kill this dude. We need to kill this dude, man. I'll go and kill him.
Yeah, thanks, Doc.
This dude, I'm telling you, this dude is too OP, man. And if it gets more difficult than this, then we can't do anything. I just need to learn how to
Good
play.
job there,
Just get up there. How did I die? How come he has, you can say, a turret that can, you can say, kill us? I can't even do anything in this map. It's just so frustrating. Let's go. They are all just standing there. We can't do anything. And this turret guy just you can say places his turret every single time. Use your grenade launchers. Why are you can say just roaming around here? See. They don't even let us come out. The turret man. This turret is you can say too. How do I change my class? Anything like that. We can't go from here. Oh, damn.
Medic!
Oh, what is this? They are just you can say camping there, man. They are just camping there. This is too hectic. See. I can't do anything. They are just you can say bomb rushing there. Where is the map? Can I see the map? Can I use this? What do you mean by that? I don't really know what happened there, but don't die. Just run. I can't do anything. They just keep on you can say spamming the same place. Can I change? How can I change my? Oh, nah. Rocket launcher, flame launcher. I don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. Yep, sniper. That's what I was. Wow. Now this is what more like my. Oh, what is this? Not even close. I suppose I have lesser health as a sniper, I guess. Yep. No, 125. I have the same health. Am I not hitting him? Is he not dead yet? How is he not dead? How is he not dead? Why is his turret going on again and again? Let me you can say use something else. Oh, what is this? This is a grenade launcher, I guess. Nice. Oh, what is my secondary weapon? Aimbot is dominating King Tulendra. What is this? What is the meaning of it? OP Tulendra, whatever it is. Let me you can just change my this. What does this do? How can I change this again? Sniper. Who does this do? This guy himself as an enemy infiltrate. Yep.
Incoming!
Close. Oh, they see me now, na, hai na? What do I do now? Oh, why was I not killing him? I don't get it. Why was I not killing? This is a nice thingy. I just need to understand how to, you can say, do it. Let me go, let me go, let me go. My time is running out. What does this thing do?
Medic!
They are just
In your language?
how are they doing this, man? How are they doing this? I don't get it.
Spy, Pauling here. This contract is high priority.
And why are we not even going? What does this thing do? Let me get one kill at least. We should be dead by now. Oh, run away. Where is the enemy at? What does this thing do? I don't get it. What do I have to do now? Where am I? Where do I have to go? I don't get it. Where is the map? What does this do? What does this do? Where is the fight even going on? What? I just was.
Doctor!
Acha, I have 11 kills. I am dealing damage at least. I would say. Can I pick this up now? Yep, I can. Oh, I got one, I got one. Ooh, I was saved. Oh, 120, I hit for 120. Again 120
5
minutes.
minutes left in the mission. 5 minutes left in the mission.
That was nice, that was nice. Oh, don't lock me off, don't lock me off. Let's go here, let's go here. Ooh, I was saved again. Oh, what was that? This is cheating, brother. This is cheating. I like this class. I like this class. I also like that diesel boy. Oh, he just knifed me.
This one's nasty. I thought of you, Spy.